Harshad Shantilal Mehta was a businessman, investor and mastermind stockbroker. People also called him the Big Bull of the stock market. Well known for his wealth and for having been charged with numerous financial crimes that took place during Prime Ministership of P.V. Narasimha Rao. Before start the video, if you like to buy exclusive collection of men and women from Amazon, you can check the link of my Amazon store given in the description below. Let's talk about his lifestyle. His real name was Harshad Shantilal Mehta. His nickname was the Big Bull. He was born on 29 July 1954 in a Gujarati family. His hometown is in Paneli Moti Rajkot district, Gujarat. By profession, he was a stockbroker. His education. Harshad Mehta completed his B.Com in 1976 from Lajpat Rai College, Mumbai, and worked a number of odd jobs for the next 8 years. His family. His father's name was Shantilal Mehta, who was a local businessman. His mother's name was Rasilaben Mehta. He had 3 brothers named Hitesh Mehta, Ashwin Mehta and Sudhir Mehta. His wife's name is Jyoti Mehta. His son's name is Atul Mehta. His career journey. Harshad Mehta started his job as salesperson at Bombay office of New India Assurance Company Limited. During his job, he found his interest in stock market. He resigned from his job and joined brokerage firm. He worked as a jobber at firm and made lot of profit to the respective firm. In 1984, Harshad Mehta started his own firm. By the year 1990, number of people invested in his firm. During 1990 and 91, media portrayed image of Mehta as the Big Bull. On 23 April 1992, journalist Suchita Dalal exposed the scam of Harshad Mehta in Time of India. When the scheme was exposed, banks started demanding their money back, causing the collapse. He was later charged with 72 criminal offences. After investigation, CBI arrested Harshad and his brother for allegedly misappropriating 2.8 million shares, about 90 companies. Even banned him from permanent trading in the stock market. But after 3 months in jail, he was released from jail. But in 1997, he was again arrested and had been put in the Thane jail. On 31st December 2001, when everyone was celebrating the Happy New Year, he complained of pain in his chest and was admitted to Thane Civil Hospital. But he lost the fight against life and died. Before his death, out of 27 criminal cases, he was only convicted of 4 cases.